Guys, kumusta kayo? How are you, everyone? How's your morning? Kumusta ang lahat, guys? Heto tayo, ang morning natin. Kumusta, guys? I hope you have a good morning. You have a good day. So, yun guys. Nandito tayo. Tapos na tayo naligo, guys. So, feel fresh na tayo today. Ayun. Feel fresh na tayo early in the morning. So, ayun. Pagkatapos, inom ng init. Mainit-init pa, guys. Sarap. Kumusta kayo, guys? Kumustang araw niyo, guys? I hope you have a good day. We feel good and feel fresh. Ano pa? Thank you so much. Yun lang, guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a blessed day to all and everyone. And keep safe. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Have a blessed day ahead. Bye. See you next.